Okay, here's a really quick video on learning how to use integers, and I like to teach it kind of like an elevator. And you can think about your ground floor at 0, and as you go below ground, the numbers are negative, and as you go above ground, the numbers are positive. And you can use this number line to help you add any two integers. So an integer is going to be a whole number, like 6, or a whole number that's also negative, like -3, or -3. And you can use this kind of idea of a number line as an elevator to help you add and subtract two numbers. So if you're not very good, here's a pretty simple one, but if you're not very good at adding and subtracting negative numbers and you're not sure what you're going to end up with, the way it's going to work is the first number that you start with is going to be the floor that you start at. So if you're at -3, it means that you'd be starting at floor -3 or 3 floors below ground because you're in the basement. And then you take a look at the second number. If it's positive, it means you're going to go up. If it's negative, you move down. So if you look over here, positive means up, negative means down. So this means I'm going to take 5 floors up. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it means you end up at 2. So your answer would be 2. You can also use this if you're dealing with two negative numbers, and the reason why I teach it this way is it sometimes gets confusing thinking about when you have two negative numbers, if you're multiplying or adding, why is it sometimes positive, why is it negative? Well, if we had something like -4 minus 2, well, you started at -4, that's the floor you start at, so -4 floors is right here, and then it says you're going down 2 floors because you're minusing. So you count 1, 2, and I don't know if you can see it here, you're going to end up at floor -6. So the nice thing is you can use this to answer any questions. It doesn't matter if you're starting with a positive or negative number. So if you were starting at 8 and you're doing 8 minus 3, 8 3 floors down would be 5. So you can use this for any two integers. And remember, you're going to be doing your own number line so that you're going from -25 all the way up to +25.